In this video, we are going to see how we can change our profile name on Facebook. So we click on the profile icon at the top right hand corner and click on the settings and privacy and click on settings. So here we click on the account center. Basically we click on see more in account center. And from here we can see this profiles and personal details. And here is our profile with the name suggested. So click on this and click on the name. If you want to change the name, if you want to change the username, you click on this one. So click on the name, and here you can just simply mention your first name and last name to change it. But just remember that here it says you can't change your name right now because you have changed this in the last 60 days. So just remember of that. Mine is fixed at this point, but I should be able to change it on 22nd of February. But this is how basically you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.